Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the role of thallium scan, which is also called as myocardial perfusion imaging in CAD. Thallium scan is also called as myocardial perfusion imaging. It is a non-invasive test. It's a nuclear medicine test which is used to assess flow of blood to the heart. Now, in this test, a radioactive tracer 201 thallium is injected into a vein. Then a gamma camera images how well the tracer is taken up by the heart muscle. So in areas where there is a good blood flow, the tracer is taken up normally. Areas in which there is infarcted tissues, it shows reduced or absent tracer uptake. Now coming to its uses in cardiology. First, in the diagnosis of CAD. Second, it is helpful to assess viability of the myocardium in infarct-related tissues, to differentiate reversible ischemia, whether the uptake improves with rest or not. Third, it helps to decide if revascularization will benefit the patient or not. Fourth, risk stratification and prognosis. Extent of perfusion defects correlate with the severity of CAD and the risk of future adverse cardiac event. Now let's go through the role of cardiac MRI in cardiology. Cardiac MRI is mainly used for tissue characterization, viability and scar assessment. Now we will go through the role of CT angiography in ST segment elevation myocardial infarction. CT coronary angiography is not recommended in ST segment elevation myocardial infarction. It is mainly used for atypical chest pain or stable angina setting or low to intermediate risk category patients. It can be useful in cases of STEMI mimics like pericarditis, myocarditis, or pulmonary embolism when they are suspected and the diagnosis is not clear. Therefore, invasive coronary angiography is recommended in ST segment elevation myocardial infarction. It provides both diagnosis and treatment. It is faster, door to balloon time should be less than 90 minutes, and it is supported by class 1 guideline recommendations. Thank you.